Hello everyone, my name is Gregor and welcome to a new week, to another episode of Surfing the Elliott Waves, where I'll look at some of the most interesting developments for this week. This video has been brought to you by Orbex. I will cover Aussie, gold, crude oil, dollar CAD and dollar yen. Now, firstly, looking at the Aussie weekly chart, which I think it's very important just to remind ourselves where the trend is after these recent reversals on the intraday basis. And here we are still seeing a very strong uptrend in progress since last year, which I think could continue all the way up to these 2018 highs. Now, looking at the 4-hour chart, I think that the current pullback can be corrective. There was a nice ABC drop within this corrective channel. So if we can take price above and out of this downward channel, this could be the very important signal that market is back in recovery mode. So as long as this trend line holds, just keep in mind that this waveform can always become a little bit more complex and possibly even retesting these lows here from start of February. But generally speaking, on a daily chart here, well, trend is up, so I'm looking as each retracement as a counter trend opportunity. Looking also at the intraday basis chart here, well, there is potentially 5 waves down within this wave C. So I'm not actually surprised that this price is rising, but so far I do not see 5 subwaves up yet from current swing low. So we have to be very patient here, but if this market is really going to make 5 waves of recovery on this intraday chart, then I think that there can be opportunities on the long side. Also, let's not forget on copper prices, there was a very nice 3-wave setback here from February high. So I think that this also can be represent just a pause on the way up. And in fact, this is already showing us the first evidences of a completed wave 4 here. So I think that more upside on copper prices could also support the Aussie dollar. Not only copper, I think that gold is very important as well. What we are seeing here on a daily chart is very nice and deep pullback towards this trend line, potential support that could limit the current weakness. Now, if we look at the wave structure from the Elliott wave principle, you can clearly see that there were overlaps from this August 2020 highs. So this can be a complex correction ABCX, ABC that could complete this wave C, as I said, around this trend line. There's also 1670, very nice support of the former wave 4. So it looks like this is a very nice and attractive level for potential bullish reaction. Not only that, if we look at on 4-hour chart, you can see here potential wedge formation. Wedge formation can occur at the end of bullish or bearish trends, and normally when the wedge is broken, it suggests an increased volatility and very sharp moves in the opposite direction. So in such case, we could rally all the way back towards 1760. So let's see how the market will actually close today and then maybe tomorrow. And if we can take price up to 1730 or even higher, I think that there can be more upside after retracements, and this again could be very supportive for Aussie. Now let's take a look also on crude oil. Well, crude oil, as you know, has been moving higher recently with this very nice push into wave 5 of 3 after OPEC extended these production cuts through April. So this was maybe just a temporary news reaction. Of course, if there is lower production and demand is somehow maybe going to increase when these lockdowns restrictions due to COVID will be removed as we approach these warmer months, then of course this would make crude oil even higher. But I think that there can be a new pullback first. I'm watching this wave 4 retracement that could be maybe already in the cards if we consider that this wave 5 that recently pushed the prices higher out of this Elliott wave channel, well, market fell back into this Elliott wave channel, and this could be an important alert that maybe we are all in this wave for pullback. Of course, for any shorts, I think this is a very risky game. I just think that there is much easier and better play on the long side, but as I said, after retracement. Now, if this market is really going to see a retracement here, then watch out dollar CAD. Okay, well, dollar CAD here is potentially looking to turn higher here for a corrective retracement, and if that's going to be the case, then wave B should find a support here around 1.26 level. So it's a very important time at the moment. Let's say in the next 24 to 48 hours we really have to see a reversal back towards 1.27 level to make sure that this is going to be wave C. And of course this could come in play, especially if crude oil prices will continue to the downside in this fourth wave. In such case, this could equal to this corrective bounce on dollar CAD. Now let's take a look on the final market today, which will be dollar yen. On dollar yen, as you know, we've been looking for this wedge pattern to complete this counter trend movement back in January. We have seen a very nice and strong breakout of the wedge, which is a very nice example of what happens when you have completed wedge, as I mentioned this earlier on gold. So here what I'm seeing is a very nice 5 waves up here, first for a wave 1, then you have a wave 2 pullback, not so deep and textbook, but still it just tells you how bulls are strong when you don't see wave 2 retracing not even to 50 or 61.8%. So this just tells me that bulls are very strong, which was confirmed by this extended move that I think can be wave 3. So after this wave 3, expect more upside. After wave 4, expect more upside into wave 5, and this wave 4 maybe could unfold in this month still. When looking at the hourly chart, there's a first support here around 108.60, which has been retested just now, but because we have only one leg down, I think that there can be a move towards the lower side of the support zone around 108.00 level, which is also the trend line support here connected from February 26th levels. So I think that this can be just a pause still within this ongoing currently wave 3. Traders, thank you very much for your attention. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give me your feedback in this commentary box below on the YouTube channel. Have a good day. Bye.